so far. Mine is going fine. Okay, I got a little craft project that I saw on Peto is Blessed. I saw on her channel. She took some succulents, some fake succulents, and a plastic Dollar Tree platter, and some white rock. And she made a pretty succulent garden. Beautiful. And hers had bling. You know, she's the bling lady. Okay, well mine ain't gonna have no bling, but it's gonna have succulents. I got a bunch of them from Dollar Tree and Walmart. And she didn't glue her white rocks down. She had the medium-sized white rocks. I got some aquarium gravel. This was $2.50 for this big bag. And I got different shades of blue and green. So I'm going to glue it down. So I doubled my platters because this is 5 pounds of rocks. So I doubled my platter. And then I'm going to set this whole thing after it's done on my plant stand. I hope it looks nice. Hers is beautiful. And she actually blinged out her plastic tray. And it made it look gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to put glue on here. It's plugged in, so it should be heating up right about now. So I'm not taking the tags off or nothing because you won't even see the bottom. Come on now. I'm just going to glue this and pour the rocks on so the rocks will stay on there. And I'll put the link to her channel where she's doing this project. I'll put it in my description box. This ain't hot enough yet. And these little platters were just $1. They look pretty. This ain't flowing like I want it to. I'm going to glue each layer of rock. I don't want somebody to bump into it and rocks go everywhere. Glue that. Okay. Start sticking these little succulents in here. Okay, where's the pick? This came. Let me just stick that down. Oh, that looks cute. Is this still hard? I mean, soft? No. I'm just gonna stick these in here. I'm just gluing the bottom. It's a tall one. I kind of bent the stem so they can go up under the rock. Yeah. Oh, that whole glue came up. I don't want that. I got some rubber cement in there that I could use. Oh no, this ain't working. The hot glue gun is not working. So I might not be able to glue it down like I thought. Well, place my plants. Come on now. I'm gonna put more rocks on top. So I might not be able to secure my rocks. I do have Gorilla Glue in there. Somebody bumped this and had rocks all over my floor. I'm gonna be mad. Let me go get the right kind of glue. Okay, I went and got my Gorilla Glue. This here stuff. And I got the rubber cement, contact cement. It looks like this. And it comes with the applicator thing. Like that. So, let me see if I can use my Gorilla Glue. Oh, that's stuck. That's stuck. This ain't stuck. Come on now. Stuck good, but I'm going to redo it. Okay. What else I want? Let me see. Got color over here. That looks just like that. That looks like that. And put something dark over here. I'm going to work it down up in there. No? Okay, I can lay down. Look at this other cactus looking thing. I'm going to take the pick out. Can't. Here's a funny looking one. That's too big. I guess I have to put another big one over here. Oh Lord, I'm sitting here sniffing this glue. Ooh. I'm trying to get high. I smell it. Oh my goodness. Need some more rocks on here to hold that down. This can go over here. I don't want that sticking up. That look crazy. I like this one. I'll be back when I'm through with all of it. Okay, I'm finished. I had to use the Gorilla Glue. Look at that. Looks like, actually looks like an aquarium, don't it? The bottom of the aquarium. So this is my little succulent. Come on now. This is my little succulent garden. I'm going to put it on my plant stand with my real plants. And the few succulents that I have that are still living. Looks kind of cute. Okay, I need a thumbnail. That was a nice quick project. Okay, I have it on my plant stand with my other plants. Y'all can't really see them. But there's my faux succulent garden. Look at that. Okay. Can you really see it? Okay. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And head on over to Petal is Blessed, her YouTube channel. That's where I got this idea. So check out how she did hers. Okay. Bye.